Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent personal safety app to display notifications on the lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, in settings, we are looking for notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the lock screen option here. And now from this list, we are looking for the app that we are interested in. In our case, it's a personal safety app. Now, if we tap this option here, the personal safety app won't be able to send notifications while our screen is locked. And now it will be. It's a simple on or off switch. Pretty easy. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.